level. Kind of hard to tell, but it's perfectly level right there. You can see my gap is bigger down there, and this door overlaps right here. Huge gap here. Hey guys, welcome back. Today, not sure what I'm gonna do. Had a long weekend. The youngest had her birthday yesterday, so I got to see a lot of family and friends. That being said, I was gonna get out here and mess with Bronco after the party, but I was too tired and allergies have messed me up. But I think what we might do today is put the latch mechanism on the new door and try to latch it to the back striker post. I think if we can get that and make sure my gap's okay, then we should see where the pillar needs to go. I do appreciate all y'all's comments and suggestions. Efficient way I can do it by myself, if that makes sense. Since I'm the only one out here, I can latch it and kind of move the door up and down a little bit and see about where the pillar needs to be in relation to where the door sets on the striker. I do think I got some paint sticks. Maybe we might put some in there and kind of get the back gap where we want it and see where the front gap needs to be. And then need some way to hang, put the front of the door on the pillar though. That brings up another issue. These hinges, I don't think I'm going to use them. They're just too far gone in my opinion. I'm probably going to end up ordering a new set. So that being said, I'll probably either end up not pushing those pins in those and offering to reimburse Wild Horse Bronco because we didn't use them. But I think a new set of hinges would help quite a bit. And also, I didn't get the hood in here. Like I said, I spent all day Saturday mowing and getting ready for the party, and then yesterday had a party, and it's a long day putting together toys and just enjoying it with the little one. So this week, hopefully by next video, I'll have the hood back in the garage. That way we can set it up and make sure our fender gap is good. And I do have a new grill up here somewhere. We'll pull that down and try to bolt it up and see what it looks like in regards to how far the fender needs to come up or move forward. The other system was the door pillar needs to move, or I think I was mentioning the door pillar needs to move up. So my idea is to grind this off through here just a little bit in order to bring it up just a little bit more. But I won't do that until we get the door up here, and we can make sure we got a line straight across here to at least, in here. Because the front of the Bronco does dip down a little bit, as you can tell over there, so there is a slight downward angle. I think as long as we get it level to here across the door in the back, we should be all right. But I think I'll mess with this door today, try to put that in it. That may take me all day because I'm not even sure where my bolts are. Other than that, I'm not sure if I'll be doing anything else. Like I said, I don't feel too good and I'm tired, so I really need to clean this shop up. That was my one goal this weekend, was to mow and clean, and got the mowing done but not the cleaning part. Anyways, let's get to work. All right, we got a functioning latch mechanism. It's closed. So I'm thinking we can go ahead and put this on the Bronco and see what it looks like. I think something to hold up the front of the door, but I'm pretty excited we got this far. So over there and see what it looks like. All right, fit the door on there. I'll show you right now. It says it's, if you can see, level. Kind of hard to tell, but it's perfectly level right there. You can see my gap. It's bigger down there, and this door overlaps right here. Huge gap here. So I don't know really what the next step is. Should I get the door where it matches the back of the bed? And I need some hinges. That's what I need. Probably order those today. But I do see where the hinge pocket sits, right here and right here. So it should be relatively close up top. Bottom, it's iffy. But I mean, this gap through here is not great, but it's not bad. This is a little concerning down here because the door needs to shift up just a little bit, which will make it off level. But if the, I mean, it's a better way to tell. Anyways, maybe there should be kind of a, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Oh, the door needs to be up a little bit more. I think that'll help when we got the hinges on. At least we got the door latch though. We know it works and we can unlatch it. So it looks like that's out there. A pretty good gap. Right there. All the way down. Which the outer rocker will help fill that in. I think I'm gonna leave this here like this today. Y'all please comment and give me more ideas. This idea, I believe, let me go check my comments right quick. Doing it this way was an idea by Joe. Seems to think I could get it to work if I can just. I need new hinges. There's no way around it. I gotta order those. And right here, is that normal? I know this body line kind of comes down and in, pretty sharp angle, and this one is kind of curved. Is that normal? And I guess I just line up this bottom part with that bottom part because this door can go up just a hair. And front fender is shaped like the door, has that curve in it. So I'm thinking I need order hinges, get them on, take the fender off, get my gaps how I want them, screw the pillar in, which I think the pillar, we're gonna have issues. I think it needs to go up and forward just a little bit, definitely up more, so we can get the fender to line up right. I need somehow to fill in that gap right there, but I think it looks starting to look more like a Bronco. Just nervous about the passenger side, since I already got kick panel welded in. Hopefully we can manipulate the door pillar better and get a good fitment quicker. Like I said, this I do believe this needs to probably have to come up, because it's looking like the old, not the old one, but the one over there, where this flange is not touching the kick panel. So I'm thinking that's probably what I need to do over there, is grind this off until this comes up, maybe. I don't know. Need to remeasure these measurements here, see if we got them. There's the thing I was looking for. And my wife decided she needed a level for something. I took it and never brought it back. I'm looking for that big green one. I don't know if you can see better, but this thing is level. Let me know your thoughts on this. I'm gonna think on it and wait for y'all's comments. Well, I think that'll do it for me today. Like I said, I don't feel too great, and just wanted to kind of get the door up there, see what it looks like. Let me know, that door should be completely level, or should it have a rake to it. I know it needs to come up some more. I need to order hinges. I'm probably gonna order those today. Not sure when they'll get here, so we may bounce around to something else until they get here. We may come over to the passenger side and start doing the same thing. We got a new passenger side door somewhere, so we'll get it and we can put the latch on it and kind of get it up here too, and get this side kind of mocked up. But I need to order a new fender, so I may order new hinges and new fender today. But anyways, sorry about the short video, not a lot done, but we did get the door up there. Starting to look like more of a Bronco now. But I think next time we'll continue on the Bronco. Still haven't got the parts in for the straight six yet. Like I said, Dad came up yesterday, but he wasn't able to stick around and help. Next time he comes up, we'll go through the engine, and I'll probably order parts for it, and hopefully get that thing sitting somewhere else and right in my way. But I am excited. We're getting closer on the Bronco. Like I said, there's still a lot of stuff to do. Wife just says put fenders on it and put everything back in it and drive without the doors. Which isn't a bad option, but I like to have doors so I can drive it all year round. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like this kind of stuff, please stick around. We've got more coming. If it's your first time seeing the channel, we got a 71 Bronco. We got a 56 International. Jaguar front and rear suspension. We're putting a straight six in it. Then way back over there, I don't know if you see it, is a 65 Austin Healey. I like to get on that eventually. And there's a 78 Camaro on the barn back outside that we need to get and fix too. So we got plenty of stuff to do. Please stick around. Use all the help I can get, but I need to go to work. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.